Today we're going to be talking about Theta. Let's go. Alright, so last time we talked about Theta, we highlighted this key range where would be a good time to start DCAing into the Theta token. And DCAing means dollar cost averaging in. Alright, so we said anything under $3 would be a good price due to Theta's all-time high being about $15. Okay, so now that we did a quick recap on what we did the last time I talked about Theta, what we're going to do now is we're going to navigate from the monthly and we're going to go to lower time frames to see what's the price action doing with the Theta token. Okay, now we're going to go to the 2-week chart. From the 2-week chart we can see that, hey, the $3.15 is the support range on the 2-week. However, we can see that the $4 range is resistance. So at this time we're trying to break $4, but we can't because we have a lot of sellers in that range. Now we're going to go to the weekly chart. From the weekly chart we can see that, hey, we did have some buying power right here at this $2 range, $2.26. Buying power came in, but we still couldn't break that $4 range. Sellers came in, boom. All right, we're still holding this $3 as support range on the weekly. The reason we're holding it is because we had another body closure below it. When the body closes below the support line now becomes resistance. All right, from the 5-day, same thing. 3-day, same thing. From the daily, we have the same thing. Now it's time for the indicators. Okay, so now looking at the indicators from the 2-week chart, we can see that, hey, the trend is still down. Looking at this MACD down here, we're still going downwards on the 2-week chart. From the money flow index, you can see that we're still trending down as well, meaning that no money's coming into the market. The stochastic RSI, you can see the orange is over the blue. It's another confirmation that, hey, the trend is still down. And the RSI is currently at 43, 44. That's a pretty good signal for buying purposes, but depending on your strategy, you can start maybe dollar cost averaging, in my opinion. All right, from the weekly chart, we can see that, okay, the RSI looks good. The stochastic looks good, but we don't have a confirmation above that 20. All right, the blue line is above the 20, but it looks like the blue line may do the same thing it did on the 3rd of January. So we may have a peak out as a fake out and then come back down to that $2 range. So that's something to keep an eye out for. We can see that the MACD looks like it's about to curve up, but not right now. So we should see it start to curve up in maybe March or end of the month. All right, from the 5-day. So from the 5-day, we can see that, hey, we do have a cross down. So that's letting us know that prices may start to come down this week. The 3-day chart, we have another confirmation that prices is heading down this week, as we can see that the orange crossed over the blue onto the stochastic RSI. And then from the daily, we can see that price is heading downwards, but we could have a mini pump this week where price is currently at, looks like $2.97. So price could come up and hit $3.15 or come out of it, but then still head back down due to this MACD crossing. Okay, for my analysis, what I'm expecting from Theta this week is I'm expecting just consolidation in this price range that I highlighted on the monthly. So we can see Theta just bounce around this $3 to $2 range. Worst case scenario, or best case scenario, is we break the $3.15, break the $4 range, but I don't see us breaking this $5 range at the end of the February month. All right, so I'm Bodie J from Rare Crypto. Lego.
Rare Crypto, for the people, financial freedom.